I had actually been out of the country for a couple months, but while I was gone, I had two packages sent to me. I believe this one is from the Mars Hydro people, so we're gonna go ahead and just do a little unboxing and review to see what we get. So I went ahead and opened it already, but I haven't fully opened it. I just cut all the tape. Go over there. And then, basically what we have here is the ratchets and hangers. So if you are growing in a tent or, a set space where you got your hooks up against the wall, or if you want to use nails, got your ratchet and hanger. And then here are basically the specs of the light. So the item is the TS-600, and you got your amps, frequency, and the voltage. I'm sure if you go on their actual website, you can see just how many amps out of the wall this thing is pulling. You got other stuff here like lumen. So, if you're really dialed with your specs to see how much light is getting pulled out of the wall, or electricity is getting pulled out of the wall, and the exact amount of space this thing is covering, then go ahead and check out their website. I'll include it down below. So yeah, it's just it looks to me like it's the chips on a board with a kind of small little metal ballast. Right off the bat, when I'm picking this thing up, the foam, it's extremely light. It's extremely light, and let's see here. We're gonna go ahead and give it a little test just to see how hot it gets. But yeah, it reminds me of the Spider Farmer one I had not too long ago. But I'm actually not sure on the types of light that I'm gonna get out of this thing. So I'm gonna head and uncoil it really quick. But yeah, so since I'm back finally, I know the last little update was about 2 months ago. I let my plants kind of do like an auto thing where I couldn't really water them, but they somehow managed to make it through. But I will be doing an update on those when I get a chance. I went ahead and cloned what looked was kind of messed up, But so yeah, plug this thing in. Whoa. And instantly, yeah, you get a decent amount of light. I don't have anything to measure the output on this thing, but it kind of gives you an idea of, definitely could get through veg and flower with one or two of these if you are growing in a tent. I usually just use these to veg them out, or use them for, like if I'm cloning. And then you got your little hinges right here to, where you're going to be hanging them up. But that's basically that. The light itself is very good quality. Everything is working perfect. And I cannot wait to start a couple plants with this. I just need to find a place to hang it. Another thing that I do not have is a tent. I had a tent, but my space is always confined to something that would be a little bit too small to add this light. But yeah, overall, very good quality build. Extremely light. And it seems like it would cover a fair bit of space. Alright, we're going to go ahead and unplug it. So yeah, guys, that is the TS-600 from Mars Hydro. I just want to go ahead and give them a shout out for sending that out. Sorry for getting the video out so late. I know it took me a while. I'd, like I said, been stuck out of the country due to this whole, COVID bullshit. But I'm just happy to finally be back. And hopefully you guys can tune in to my future stuff. Next video, I'll go ahead and have this set up. I'm gonna go ahead and have some clones underneath this, and maybe we could get them to root. And I will for sure be popping some beans, as well as some pepper plants. And I'll be using this. I'll need to find a little space to use this, but overall, give them a check. I would say this is a perfect light for vegging out. I'm definitely going to test it in the flower just to see the quality of the nugs, because I also have another light that's just like this. It's kind of like, chips on a board. And yeah. So yeah, guys, that's that. Go ahead and give them a check. I'm going to have them down below in the description, and I will get back to you guys with another update. I also have another light right there that I was sent, and I will do an unboxing on that one. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you liked it to keep up with the videos. I'm going to go ahead and start making as many as I can, just because this whole quarantine thing. So, peace.